Welcome to Let Us Learn English. Hyderabad's #1 English language training center. Visit www.letuslearnenglish.com. We are pioneer in English language courses at Hyderabad. Since 1987 we have trained thousands of students with great name. We have courses that range from the very basics of English to high-end for English learning skills, and also we offer soft skills such as presentation skills, group discussion skills, interview training. We also offer various courses like campus recruitment training, fluency development, communication skills, email writing skills, and personality development. We believe that each student's English requirement is different and it needs to be addressed in a customized manner. Depending on each student's needs and future plan, we draft individual modules and design a learning plan that will be unique to him or her. We call it need-based teaching. We have been providing the courses with the help of our state-of-art language lab facility at our institutions, which comprises of textbooks, workbooks, activity sheets, CDs, DVDs, and a complete language lab. Presently we are offering following courses: beginner's level. Course code equals SKU1BL intermediate level. Course code equals SKU2IL advanced level. Course code equals SKU3AL general English and grammar. Course code equals SKU4GEG spoken English. Course code equals SKU5SP fluent English. Course code equals SKU6FE professional English. Course code equals SKU7PE accent from LLE. Course code equals SKU8AC Let's Learn English Club. Course code equals SKU9EC IELTS. Course code equals SKU IELTS personality development. Course code equals SKU PD soft skills training. Course code equals SKU SST techno spoken English. Course code equals SKU TSP special batch. Online tutorials services are also available with Zoom and Lark, Skype and WhatsApp. For details talk to any of our staff member. For more information and details please talk to us at our mobile 9989669269,989,669,261 or speak with us at our landline at +910402442211 +91-040-2444-2211. Send an email at info@letuslearnenglish.com info@letuslearnenglish.com. Please visit our website at www.letuslearnenglish.com. We offer you a complete package. Our CEO Mr. Muhammad Abdul Majid and his support team always welcome you all and wish you all the best. Administrative Office, 201 and 202, Highway Plaza, BANDLAGUDA Main Road, CHANDRAYAINGUTTA to KATEDHAN Inner Ring Road, Hyderabad. 500,005. AP India. Telephone 0091-4024442211. Tele fax 0091-4024442211. Mobile 9989669261901 90105287884. info@letuslearnenglish.com. Website www.letuslearnenglish.com. Branch office and corporate training center 16 to 9-307 41st Old Malakpet Lane opposite to Moonlight School, Housing Board Colony, near Masjid Haadiya Amreen, Hyderabad. 500,036. AP India. Telephone 0091-4024554411. Tele fax 0091-4024554411. Mobile 9989669261901 90105287884. info@letuslearnenglish.com. Website www.letuslearnenglish.com. Goodbye. Have a nice day.